Yahoo!
Siyempre, when you're a public figure, I mean, you get some, parang you have responsibilities to be a better person kasi every move you do, parang nakikita ng mga tao, lalo na online, na parang konting mali lang, like people talk about it and stuff. So parang you should be responsible of being who you are or what you communicate to the people online.
They were just having fun doing what we love to do, and I don't think there's anything wrong with what we're doing naman so far. So I guess it is a pressure to be responsible of what you're showing to the public, but for us, hindi naman mahirap because that's just what we do.
And the best of all is parang we're enjoying this so parang we enjoy what we do and sana po makita ng mga tao online yun. The worst criticism is sabi daw nila masamang tao ako, like snobbish, mean, ganun. Pero sa totoo hindi po, like masayahin tao ako, mapagbigay, and ayun, I hope people would know the real us kasi medyo kalog nga kami.
Yeah. Okay lang naman, hindi naman actually may mga tao talaga nagko-compare, pero I don't mind at all kasi supportive naman ako.
Yeah, and I'm also supportive of my sister kung may gusto siya, mga ganyan. Parang ina-encourage ko. And parang we grew up really close together. So parang it's more of not being compared. Parang we complement each other. Parang kunyari,
we do
things
things together.
together and yun nga, parang nagtutulungan. Parang tag team kami sa mga ganito. Well, yung tip ko lang is to enjoy what you do. Kasi parang if you're having fun, parang sobrang mo-overpower niyo yung mga negative things you see online Parang baliwala na yan. I mean, masaya ako. Parang sila na lang yung may problema or ganon. Just leave it to them. Parang tayo, parang nagtawa kami na lang ng tawa.
Saka don't be too conscious kasi parang baka inisip mo, maraming taong nag-watch sa akin, so I have to be, Pero just be yourself kasi doon talaga lalabas na you're having fun, tapos magiging contagious yung happiness mo.
Yes, contagious laughter.